Good boy, JJ. This is just explaining about the wolves and how really they are an endangered species right now. And this is the trail. So there's different trails. You got the A Expedition, you got Cap 360, and then you have MONT GORILLE. So A, B, and C. So you follow those paths. And the 360 is something incredible. Apparently, no matter which way you turn, you will find a view. So that's exciting. I see somebody left some garbage here. I hate that. I'm sure they could have packed that in their car. Okay. So that's what you have to follow, is the red and white. See? The blue is protected territory, so it just tells you everything. Points of departure. There's places to eat. There's places also to camp. Rustic camping. There's a refuge. That's if you want to sleep in a small hut. So there's a lot of fun stuff for you to do around here. You see La Caribou. So this is not far from where my other cabin is. And this is the Cap 360. Montagne de Caribou. And that's MONT GORILLE. Pretty cool. All packed up. Everything's put back the way it was. Our little Chi-Chi's waiting patiently. Erica's having her, what kind of water? Your electrolyte water. I'm having very cold coffee. Fire pit. Completely drenched because we had the most torrential rains last night. We had put these chairs underneath the truck, but we didn't think it was going to rain. And they are soaking wet. That's it. Out of all that wood that we had piled up, that is what is left. That back part of the camp has got our DNA. And Chi-Chi hasn't eaten JJ except for doggy treats. That's what JJ's had. Do you have any doggy treats to give him? Really? You want a treat? Since you don't want to eat anything else? Want a treat? Okay, your sister's gonna get you some treats. Anyhow, I should have recorded it, but we woke up to fog. It was beautiful. There's another couple camping at the very end, near the entrance. Oh, Chi-Chi. I might as well just give it to him, right? Oh, is it good? It's not that it's bad stuff. It's just...
sweet potato and chicken.
yeah, hard stuff. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have no signal here. There is no signal for internet. So we had to use... where's your inReach, by the way?
My bad.
Okay. We had to use the inReach to text my husband and tell him that we were okay. That works with satellite. You pay monthly, but it's worth it because if you go into the forest.
He turns around to look at me like, okay.
Yeah. Is it good, JJ? So we decided to go for a hike on the trail. But because of the rain, it is a soggy mess. But the amount of mushrooms that popped up in the middle of the night, holy moly. I would think they would be cinnabars. It's so beautiful and quiet here. Yeah, how's JJ? He's going to be wet, so we could put that, eh?
His feet are black.
Yeah, we could put a blanket down and then we'll wash it. Eh?
Yeah.
That blanket is dirty anyhow. But yeah, maybe hiking boots would have been better. Because you have to trek right through this. And you could try not to. But then you're... Oh, look at all the bullets over there. Holy schmoly. I got some bullets, but... Okay, we are going down this way. Because... Whoop. Let's hope I... That's a good thing about... Ooh. Is it rain or is it just the wind and the leaves? It rained so hard last night. My God. This forest is alive with mushrooms. Yeah, the good thing about these shoes is that if you put your foot on a wet rock, you don't slip. These are my Ultras. We both have a pair. Because if you're going to do places like this, you really need a steady foot. And it's wet all the way through here. He's walking right in it. Okay. So I am going to try and go over these rocks. My foot is already wet. My right foot went right into it earlier when he... Because this is bad, but it's worse when you come in. At least here... What is that sound? Hey? Hey, a tree coming down? And the amount of ghost pipe. Oh, God. They're like on steroids. They're so big.
Maybe we should, does it look like it clears up over there?
Well, I know at one point it clears up.
Okay, well, this is very muddy here.
Yeah.
I know, JJ. He's saying, how do I get through? Look at him.
You could do it, JJ.
Look at him.
Oh, no. Get him on the rock.
JJ, this way. Come on.
On the rock, JJ. Okay. As you could tell, this is what we have to maneuver. Does it? Holy schmoly. Oh, right in it. Did I not tell you I speak too soon? Okay. Holy moly. Okay. It's muddy, but not as muddy. My God, look at all the ghost pipe. It's everywhere. Some of them are so big. Now, if you take my dog out on a flat trail, giving up, stopping. Hey, JJ. Hey, Erica. If we bring JJ on a flat trail, how he just doesn't want to move. But then, if you bring him in a forest like this, where you gotta go up the mountain, over rocks, under trees. My dog thrives. Oh, it was a chanterelle. Very old one. That's what my dog thrives on. Okay, over the tree we go. Anyhow, I said I was going to get myself a camera that I could actually put on my chest so I could record while I hear water. You hear water? Eh? There's definitely a waterfall back there. Eh? Okay, I'm coming. You can hear the water. It's so loud. We've come this way once or twice. But every time you come, your trail is different. Oh, pretty, pretty. Ooh. Yeah, we're going in deep. Oh, look how pretty that is.
You want to get a stick to cross over?
Eh?
You want to get a stick to cross over?
Do I want a stick? Oh yeah, I forgot. We crossed over this, eh?
Yeah. You want a stick?
No, I should be good.
Are you sure?
Erica's always worried about me. Which way does he want to go? Oh, so pretty. But we do have to go over. Well, if our feet get wet.
Well, it might be a bit slippery, is what you're saying. Are you going to fall in the water, JJ? Look, he's saying, I probably have to carry him.
Are you going to be able to carry him without falling?
Look at him. JJ,
He's like determined to go.
come. You know, we have our hiking sticks. Why didn't we take them?
Well, because we didn't think the water was going to be so high. Yeah.
You can't step on that.
No, I'm going this way.
You have to watch that, though. It might be wobbly.
This is wobbly?
Oh my God. Mom,
It's not wobbly.
put your phone away so that you don't drop it by accident.
Hmm? Did you see what I just did?
Follow mommy. Oh, look, he's following you.
Good boy, JJ. Good boy, Chi-Chi. Erica, go over that small rock. You see? Yeah. Good job, JJ. Okay, that was fun.
Good boy.
That was fun. And you know what? It's not deep, but who wants to get wet? I mean, we're kind of wet, but do we need to get wetter than we need to? Okay. All right. This old lady still has it. Hey? Okay, we're going up now, so it's going to get dry. This is the only part that is really wet. Okay. All right. Anyhow, I wish I could just bring you over through the whole trail. Ghost pipe everywhere. And they're so big. The only thing I think I mentioned it in one of my videos. Well, actually, I made a little short. When you're making ghost pipe tincture,
Look at him.
he's saying, how do I get up? Oh, he thrives on this, eh?
Oh my
he
God.
did it. Oh, what a good boy.
Are you a beast or what?
He just jumped up. All right, guys. Oh, got my pants.
You okay?
tree got my pants. I was hooked. Yeah. Okay, we're going up, so it's gonna be drier. But yeah, if you're doing ghost pipe, you want to bring the alcohol. Look at that, ghost pipe everywhere. Not sure if you could spot it, but you do want to bring the alcohol to the ghost pipe, because once it goes, look, ghost pipe everywhere. Once it goes into the alcohol, basically it starts dying. But all the medicine goes straight into the alcohol, and then you get your medicine. Because if you bring your ghost pipe home and you have no alcohol, ooh, we go down. Yeah, maybe we should have had hiking poles. That's okay. What doesn't kill me makes me stronger. Yeah, if you bring your ghost pipe home without the alcohol, it basically dies on you, eh? You waiting for me? Oh, it's swampy again?
I'm asking if you want to continue, if you want to turn back. What time is it anyway? 9:09.
9:09. And that's the hiking flares. It's up to you. What do you want to do? You want to turn back? We just wanted JJ to have a little walk.
What do you want to do?
Okay, let's go back.
Okay, Gigi.
Come on, this way,
But he
Chichi.
wants to go ahead.
I know. He's like, I am not turning back. Come on, Chichi. We're going home to Mango.
Look at him.
He's done this trail. Come on, Chichi. Let's go.
Come, Bobby.
Are you going to have to pull him, eh? He is not budging.
He wants to go ahead.
Okay, so let's go in
Okay.
a few more minutes,
Okay.
and then
Look at
we...
him. Look at him.
Yeah, he wants to go. My dog wants to go. This is what my dog lives for. This type of hiking. Not regular hiking. He needs a challenge. Just like the rest of us, I guess. Yeah. This is not a hike. If you're new to hiking, it's not that you can't do it.
They could do it.
Yeah. It's just there's a lot of obstacles. And if you're not good with balancing, I say bring hiking poles. But like following trees. And lots of tree roots and rocks and mud and... Okay, let's hope it doesn't eat my pants again. Okay. Little natural staircase. Oh, look at all the ghost pipe. I'm telling you. This is like Erica's land. But she only wished she had this much land. Oh, look at all the mushrooms. I wish I knew. Where are you? You're way ahead of me. Eh? Yeah, eh? He wants to go. Okay. A little rocky staircase here.
Where are you going, Gigi? You want to go back?
Oh, he's tired.
Okay, are we turning back?
I guess we are. Is he gonna turn back?
Well, he's ready to go ahead, but he also laid down, so...
Yeah. Right? You just have to find where you put your foot. If you find the right footing, you're good. But like I said, if you're new to hiking and you want to do this trail, this is The trail that does the 360, Cap 360, MONT GORILLE. If you're going to do this one, I say bring hiking poles if you've never done a big hike, or if you've never gone hiking. But there's a lot of obstacles, but nothing that you can't do, right? It's all a mindset. Let's see what kind of mushroom this is. Oh, those are Rizulas. Rizulas are actually edible. Oh, that's an amanita there. Rizulas are edible. The only thing is, if you're planning to take Rizula home, you better be close to your house. Because if you're not close to your home... Oh, I love these shoes. For that one reason. Besides that your feet never hurt. Besides that... Oh, and in I go. Okay.
You would be able to balance better if you weren't
holding a camera.
Yeah.
And if I wasn't holding a camera and a mushroom bag,
JJ.
I would be able to do this.
Good boy.
Without falling in the water.
This is the adventure dog.
He is an adventure dog. He's our little adventure dog.
He's small, but he can do a lot.
He is.
JJ?
And I'm wearing this damn fleece and I'm so hot.
Hopefully he'll sleep on the drive home.
Yeah. He pooped. That's a good thing.
Yeah, was it a big poop?
Oh, it was a huge poop. Sorry, guys. I know that's not something you probably wanted to hear. But we all do it. Even my doggy. Up, up. We're going up. Okay. There's so many medicinal plants here. But we don't have time to check those out.
Look at the hobble bush.
Yeah. Erica has this all over her land. It's called a hobble bush because when it gets heavy and big, it will lean over, and wherever it leans, it actually reroots. So if you're not careful, ghost pipes, Rizulas, more ghost pipes. Yeah, so wherever it leans, it will reroot itself and make a new plant. So if you're just walking and you think, ghost pipe everywhere, and you think that you're could walk straight, you can't, because it makes like a little arch and you're bound to trip. Guaranteed you're bound to trip. This freaking tree ate my pants. Let me see if I could do this again. You have to go over this obstacle. Oh. All right. So I'm hoping that whatever I'm showing you is caught on camera, because I'm not even sure I'm aiming on the right spot. These look like chanterelles, but they're not. Well, there was plenty of chanterelles on Erica's land. My husband also picked some and brought them to Erica's cabin. Oh, let's see. This is the red one. This one turns blue when you... Oh, my squirrel's eating my face. That mushroom is a no-no.
Okay, come this way. So you want to go ahead first, or you want me to go?
Yeah, I could go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put the camera away this time because I really don't want to fall in. All right, guys, I'll see you in a bit. Pretty place. Okay. My daughter stepped in some mud like I did before. But like I said, we have water at home. And there's nothing like good old hiking without getting your foot in it. If you're gonna do something rugged, you're bound to get your foot in it. Alright guys, we're heading back, so you're gonna end up seeing what we saw earlier. I'm not gonna make you sit there and have to watch it. Not that you need to watch it. But I'm gonna say I love you guys. As soon as we get back, we are just packing up. Well, we're packed up. We just have to get into the car. And we're heading home, back to the city. And leaving this beautiful place that is so miraculous and so good for our mind, our body, our soul. Get away from all that city sound. It really is good. That's why I told my sister she should come and spend a week up here. And Erica volunteered her cabin. She said, see ya, the cabin's all yours. Have fun and relax, because she goes back to work. And I don't have to tell you, people that have worked and people that are still working, work is very stressful. So if you could get away and come to a magical place like this, I'll be swimming in it again. Alright guys. You know what this is? You know when you were a kid, you used to do the hopscotch? Yeah. I'm getting a flashback of that. Of doing the hopscotch. I know. Holy moly, except the rocks are further away. Holy moly. You gotta stretch those legs. You gotta keep in shape. Alright guys. Love you. Ooh. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Holding bags and cameras is a lot tougher than just walking on a trail. We're gonna have to go through swampland again. Are you ready for it, Eric? Hey? He's going right through it, eh? It's okay, we'll pull out the blanket and then we'll wash it when we get home. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Well, that's our workout for today. Holy moly. Hey? Definitely could call this a workout. Dodge the mud. It would be a lot easier if it wasn't so wet. Hey, Eric? It would have been a lot easier if it wasn't so wet. Alright. Erica, can I take a picture?